Hi everyone, my name is Preshayla and today we're going to be going through an example question based on the AQA exam board for GCSE Physics. The question is all about forces and elasticity. The question says that a student pulls a spring with a force of 20 newtons. She stretches it from a length of 10 centimetres to a length of 90 centimetres. What is the elastic potential energy of the spring? Well, this question can be broken down into 3 steps. The first step is to find the extension, E. We are told that the student stretches the spring from 10 centimetres to 90 centimetres, which means she extends it by a length of 80 centimetres. We convert this into metres because we always work with metres when we're dealing with distances, and we get 80 centimetres equals 0.8 metres. Then we need to put it into our force equals spring constant times extension equation, or F equals KE. When we rearrange for K equals F over E, we are trying to find the spring constant. The spring constant will be needed later on in the equation for elastic potential energy. So let's find the spring constant. Well, we know that the spring constant equals force divided by extension. We know that from the question, the force is 20 newtons. And we worked out that the extension is 0.8 metres. So when we do 20 divided by 0.8, we get 25 newtons per metre for our spring constant. Now we can use our spring constant in the elastic potential energy equation, which is elastic potential energy equals half KE squared, where K is the spring constant and E is the extension. Now we have all the parts of the equation, so we can work it out. The elastic potential energy equals half times 25, which is our spring constant, times extension, 0.8, squared. When we times that all together, we get 8. Elastic potential energy is measured in joules because it's an energy value, and all energies are measured in joules. So that is how to do a forces and elasticity question to do with elastic potential energy.